Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's session where we'll be doing a sequence of asanas to enhance all the balance mechanisms in our body. So we'll begin the session by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping our back straight, chin parallel. Palms come to rest on our thighs or knees. Take a deep breath in, creating length in your spine. Chin parallel, the crown of the head towards the ceiling. Just imagine an invisible string is pulling you up nice and straight. Completely exhale, just noticing the air coming out of your nostril. Now from here, you can continue keeping your hands on your thighs or you can stack one palm over the other. Breathe in, lean back. Your gaze is fixed at a point. You can keep a soft gaze. And then if you want to take it one step further, close your eyes, press those thighs into the earth. Notice what's happening in your abdominal region. You'll feel a little tremble, a shake. Just observing that. Completely exhale. As you inhale, slowly come back forward. Your choice, eyes open or closed, just once more. All the way back as you breathe in. Try and press those thighs into the earth. Hands can stay wherever, whatever feels comfortable, keeps you stable. You're not collapsing into your back. Pull that belly in, core engaged. The next time you inhale, come forward. Your eyes are closed, continue keeping it closed. Arms like the letter T. Little finger pointing towards the earth, the thumb towards the ceiling. As you breathe out, drop your fingertips towards the right side of the mat. It need not touch or the floor. And just notice how this feels. If your eyes are closed, you may just notice. Try to sense your hands moving in the direction of the floor. See that your neck is straight, you're not collapsing your right ear to your right shoulder. Till you kind of sense, you don't have to touch, but just focus on. You may just sense the floor or the mat. Now the other side. You can always coordinate your breath with your movement. Slow movements, that's really key. Inhale, last one as you move towards your right. Exhale as you come towards your left. Bring both your hands up towards the ceiling. Drop your chin towards the ceiling. Nice extension in the front of your neck, and if you want to here, you can open your eyes, look at your fingertips. Breathe out. Just fold forward, bringing your belly towards your thigh, elbows beneath your shoulders, dropping your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of the mat. If going this low is not comfortable, always place your palms, chin to chest. Remember, you're relaxing your shoulders. Inhale, come up. Place your feet on the mat. Knees pointing towards the ceiling. Adjust if you need to. The closer your heels are towards your seat, the more intense is the pose. So we're going to try and keep it further apart, especially if you are a beginner. Place the back of your palms on your knees. Fingertips point towards the ceiling. Inhale. As you exhale, just lengthening or extending your elbows, hold. Breathe in, breathe out. Your drishti at a point. These balancing asanas are great to help us with focus and concentration. Here you want to take it further. Bring the back of your fingers to rest on your knees and lean back. Remember, you're not collapsing. Pull that belly in, spine, stay. You'll start noticing those little muscles start engaging. contracting, relaxing, those fluttering kind of sensation. Observe, stay there. And if you want to take it still further, heels, it gets more intense. So when you revisit this video after a couple of times of practice and you want to take it further, you can always do these variations. Stay here. For the last inhale and exhale, you can close your eyes and notice the changes in your body. As you breathe in, come up. Sit tall. Soles of your feet touch. Knees just collapse to the side. You don't have to bring your heels closer. Just drop your chin to chest. Forehead in the direction of your feet. One big inhalation. If you feel any tension in your lower back, just focus on that area. Breathe in as you're sending the air there. Completely exhale through your mouth. Collapsing deeper into the pose. One more inhalation. Full exhalation. Slowly roll up as you breathe in. Bring your knees together. Swing your legs to one side. We're going to come into tabletop. Wrist beneath your shoulders. Knees beneath your hip. Toes behind your knees. Here, if you feel like just organically just dropping your belly towards the earth. Chin just gaze forward. Breathe out. Nice stretch there to release any tension in your lower back. Pull that navel in. This kind of massages your abdominal organs. Again, arch and round. Back to neutral position. Palms open wide. Press your toes. Engage your toes. Knees come off the mat. Hover. Again, we're not going high. Stay really low, like you are able to sense the floor. Hold. 5. Inhale, exhale. 4. Remember, you're not dropping your chin to chest. When you feel this, see that you're not moving forward. Stay directly over. 2. Inhale and exhale. And 1. Release. Bend your right knee, straighten the left. Bend your left knee, straighten the right. Again, keep moving. Right and left. Once more. Right and left. Now step your right leg between your palms. Adjust your back leg. Here, option 1, heel is off the mat, or you can drop your heel on the floor. It's totally up to you. Start breathing in. Reach your hands forward, knees stacked, as if someone is trying to pull you. Simultaneously try and push that back heel towards the floor. Front foot completely resting there. Stay here for 2 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale. And 1 more. Now drop your hands towards the mat. Straighten the knee if you need to. Back again. Left hand on the floor. Right up towards the ceiling. Hold. 2. You need to want to go a little further. Drop, and as you're trying to point towards your back foot. Or simply stay here. Drop that hand back towards the mat. This right leg, place it on your left foot. So you're dropping your left foot towards the earth, going into your side plank Vasishthasana. If this is too much, place the leg forward. This becomes easier. And if this is too much, drop the other knee. Choose your variation.
Hold. Stay there for 2 more breaths. Remember, you're not dropping your seat towards the mat. And 1. Legs out. Drop your knees. Sit back. Give a break to your wrist. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Whatever feels natural, move. Go back to tabletop. This time, pressing the tops of your feet into the mat. And then in Dharmanasana, hovering. Hips directly over your knees. Again here, you're not coming up. Stay nice and low. If this is too much, go back to engaging your toes. It's totally up to you. Inhale and exhale. We're going to stay here for 5. If 5 is too much, choose to stay for 3. Pull that navel in. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release. Bend your right knee, left leg between your palms. Inhale. Hands come up. Arms in line with your ears. Hold. Breathe in and out. Try and push that right heel towards the mat. Hold. Lean forward as if someone is trying to pull your fingers. 1 more inhalation. Full exhalation. Drop your right hand on the mat. Left towards the ceiling. Option 1. Option 2, going deeper. Breathe in, breathe out. 1. Come out of the easy twist. Drop your right heel. Left stays there. Shoulders directly over your wrist. Stay and hold. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Sit back. Hips towards your knees. Knees either wide or just resting your belly when your thighs are together. Rest your forehead. Stay here. Breathing in, breathing out. Stay here in child pose. Inhale. Completely exhale. Relax the shoulders. Relax the wrist, palms and fingers. We're going to take 1 more deep breath in, and this time as we breathe out, chant 1 round of Om, noticing the vibrations from the soles of our feet all the way to the crown of our head and our fingertips. Breath in. As you breathe out, Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I would love to hear your feedback about this practice in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you thought this class was valuable, please like and share. Namaste.